That's sketchy.
I would do it.
I would too, probably.
I'm actually
going.
8612. Man, this part hasn't melted at all, dude.
It sounds like really weird.
Hey, look, I can see my apartment from here. Right there. Oh my gosh, I keep falling through the floor.
What
the
is
ice.
that? Look at this. We'll have to jump fence.
I'm gonna take this off of the chest mount and I'm gonna hold it in my hand now. I think they do maintenance and stuff.
Look at the Coldstone.
For legal reasons, we are here to observe.
Can we not open any doors?
I mean, we're not the first people here.
Yeah.
Look at that shirt. That's nasty.
Can we open any doors or no? Is that probably a bad
Probably
idea?
not.
I mean, if there are any open, we can go inside.
That's true. You don't want to open any.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's explore
We can
more.
hop down there. We can also go down through the middle
We
here.
gotta hop around, y'all. We can't.
Yeah, you're gonna jump trains real quick. Yeah.
This one.
I'm gonna go a different route than that. Oh, that is trippy.
Oh shoot.
Oh, I see something, y'all.
Oh.
This is cool.
Wow.
He said he knew a spot for a smoke. So let's,
For real, it's smoking here. There's so much crap in here though.
This is an old one. I think, yeah, people have probably been here before because I'm
Like
seeing
slept in
some
here.
seeing some cigarette cartons.
Yep.
Or not cartons,
Basic.
that pack. We got, hey, turn back on. Basic, indeed. Excuse me, Trevor, let me get in
Would it be a bad
here.
idea to smoke in here?
I'll go ahead and
I don't
smoke
want
a
it, would
little
it
bit.
like ignite anything?
No.
I just want to make sure.
Excuse me, son. Excuse me.
Sorry.
We got some
Alright, we need some flicks to be taken.
Marlboro.
Let me chief in the train.
Marlboro. I'm digging this front view here. Yeah. Local cam.
Hey, look at the cam.
Oh yeah.
Boots.
Flick me and Zay up. One of y'all.
Engine room.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This is awesome. There's lots of
See how recent the activity
Dr.
is. What year?
Mountain Dews.
August 5th, 2024.
Huh.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's been quite a while. So
It has.
more than.
What if there's like a snake in one of these? Just waiting on me. What are all these clothes doing in here?
Homeless people.
Well, you were warning us of homeless people. Now down here,
Hey, come take a picture of me.
down here is what I'm really interested in.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard working with, I gotta put this back on my chest mount, because it's hard working with this thing. One hand. But this is like an endless line. Come down here, Trevor, and check, just look at how far down it goes that way.
Jeez, dude.
I've never been across. The bridge might be too dangerous to cross because there's holes in it, from what I remember. That glass is broken right there.
No!
That looks like a baseball hit that or something.
Hold on, let me lock you up for one. Take another one.
It's just trash everywhere.
There's so much trash.
There's like little trees growing here. You can tell this like hasn't seen a lot of activity for a while.
Alright, the vehicle we gotta be more aware of sounds inside the car.
This is the bridge right here. This door is open right here too.
Dude, that last one
I want to try up here.
Especially in that basement compartment. Dude, there was a sink down there. Was it seriously? Yeah, it was like a living space.
It's also
Yeah. There was some shots of parapets down there.
Whoa, look at this. The bridge, bro.
Oh.
See? Yo.
Oh, this one's kind of dangerous. There's just a big hole in the floor.
Seriously?
Oh
Yeah.
my days.
Yeah. But there's this big old crack in the glass here.
Then we are above traffic.
Whoa. So this one's dangerous?
Just because of this big ass hole right here in the floor.
Take a look.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we're chilling. We're not gonna fall through.
Yeah. Alright, do we hop carts again?
Yeah. Oh shoot, they can see us by the way. Let's get out of
Not
there.
bad.
Nah.
Where y'all want to go? That way?
I kind of want to cross the bridge, yeah.
So, let's go. How about,
You just cross this car.
yeah.
Make sure nothing falls out of your pockets.
Like, suck.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
The cart.
I'm getting an idea for filming. Oh yeah.
That would be quite cool.
Yep. I'm definitely gonna come back here and film right over this at some point. I'm gonna walk on the grate itself. I'm interested in that.
We'll walk above.
That can truly be controlled.
Oh, yeah.
There above.
What if you just walk down?
This is freaky, dude. This is freaky.
Actually, hold on. See the taillights. You can just go.
Now it's just straight ice again. That was cool.
We need to stay still.
That's kind of freaky though.
And kind of quick.
Yeah, low key. Quick. I feel like we're on a clock.
No.
I don't want to dip you.
Oh, okay. Let's explore until we. Yo, look at this. Look at all the rocks that have been picked up.
Oh yeah.
Look at all the graffiti on this wall right here. See those two eyeballs right there?
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Let me see. There we go.
Just don't too much time.
How'd you? What the hell?
It's kind of sketchy.
Thank you. Oi. Ice. We'll say hello, knock.
Hello. Weekly.
That'd be fine. Alright. I'm gonna get on from the back. And catch up with them on their return trip. It's hard to balance on that thing. What's it like? Nothing.
Run down. Smelled nasty.
Smelled of elderberry.
Super musty.
Must.
We can double back pretty soon.
Yes. Engine.
I'm getting this down.
This one right here. This one's like slightly open just a little bit.
Join me, Zay. Alright.
I can see you guys from the front.
Whoa.
Good one.
That one's almost empty. See them shuffling around in there. This is probably just a graveyard where they just use the spare parts or like the leftover parts on newer models and stuff.
Yeah.
Here, hold again.
Yeah. Anything over here?
Not yet. There's a big open room right here, but
Really?
yeah.
Oh wow, you're right. I'll join you.
There's not much in here.
I wanna get, let's post that.
Oh, Flick's over here? Yeah. Here. Good flashlight. I'm trying to bring it down.
Nothing.
I'll push it out that way. Another hole.
It's a big ass wrench.
Whoa.
Big yellow wrench.
There's a phone.
There's a phone?
Right here.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like a cell phone. Look at the size of this thing.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Again, yeah, they must take these things for spare parts and
I wonder what all this is.
all the equipment controls that were used at one time.
Leave Frederica.
Leave Frederica.
Oh, we're chilling. Looks like someone was sleeping in here though.
Oh shoot, that is.
There's a pipe in here, I think. Oh.
Hold on.
Yeah, look at that. What's going on? Oh no, dude, he 100% was using that for meth. Look, it's like a kitchen fucking
Here.
measuring thing.
Let me get in here.
Let me see. Alright, let's say it. Dude. Some drugs are being used here, man.
Let's get the camera in here.
Camera.
Imagine what's in these rafters.
So yeah,
I don't know if that's something.
there's the pipe right there.
Nate, do you think you can, if I shine a light, do you think you can 360? Up in the rafters?
Yeah. Here, I'm just gonna put it up in there.
Oh, dude.
Oh, look at the fucking.
There's residue.
Yeah, sure enough. That's fucking
Hey. Something.
light bulb. The fuck is that?
Why have I seen light bulbs around here?
I don't know. I've seen some.
They must be used for something for drugs. And these drug addicts are creative.
I mean, there's
Hold on,
They used to be Zon mechanics before their brains got completely addled.
This is sad, bro. This is shit that you
This is a
just
good
can't-
spot though.
Yeah. All right, let's check these rafters out.
Just shine the light up there. I'm gonna get.
There's a Bible in here.
Seriously?
It's like Fallout, bro.
This way. I can't really see from this thing.
You know what? Chris is getting out. Cover my breath.
Yeah, just go on in.
Dude.
I'm 14. Oh yeah, don't step on the light bulb thingies or anything.
Watch out for needles.
Oh, that's actually very true. I don't see any.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Is that what I think that is? What is that? What drug is that?
Holy shit.
What is that?
Sterile water, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh.
We're good.
What's this?
Bag.
No, what's in it? Drugs?
100%. What the fuck? There's baggies in there, dude.
Oh my. We need
What?
to open this.
No, we do not. We gotta leave that alone.
Yeah, sure. I don't want to get involved in shit like this.
That means that whoever it is might be
recent.
coming back. So we don't want.
We don't want to disturb anyone, though.
Yeah, light bulb.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dude.
This is a find. Dude, it stinks in here. I'm out of here, bro.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Here, go that way, and we have to.
What's up there? Careful now. How you feel about this?
It's a sketch.
I only step on the spots that have the actual beams underneath. That was scarier the second time.
That was good.
It was pretty harrowing the first time too. Where'd they go? Oh, they're way ahead. Let's go ahead and give a front view of Trevor walking down the way. Hey, we're getting to about where we came on at.
Yeah.
Are they trying to walk all the way down? Because what we can do is we can loop around.
Yeah, here it is right here. What's up between Isaac? You've said his name a lot.
Yeah. Actually, you've talked to both of them, I think. Maybe
Yeah.
Discord.
Yeah, over the summer.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You're welcome to join whenever you want. Next time we play Fortnite or something.
Dude, I've been playing so much Fort recently. I love Fort. I'm getting my skills back.
Fortnite.
Thank you for coming with us, Trevor and Nate.
Yes.
Thank you, Bruce.
I've never even been back here. I live right next to it.
I got an idea.
I'll get one of my phones 100%.
They need to cut that.
And we'd probably just need someone below, or a couple people.
Cut those lines.
Dude, we could probably do some sort of like.
Yeah, all we have to do is.